our latest model, Lightning Ethernet USB 3 adapter. Let's see how it works. Open the package. That's the product look like. Firstly, select your iPhone. There are two ways we can change the model to fly mode, or we can close the Wi-Fi and your internet. Then connect the internet cable. Then we open the phone setting. You can see there is Ethernet. Open it. You can see the IP address, the internet IP address, and it's okay to work. We can check the video. You can see it's very fast. It's very fast. It's very good for the video live or somebody who like to play games. Then we can see another function of this model. It can connect to the USB headset, like this. We can listen to the music. You can use this to listen to music.